Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Alright, so today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. So I'm gonna make something special. I wasn't planning on making any sweet this month. It was just gonna be soup and salad, just all healthy, but I can't do it. I have to do something for my birthday. So today we'll be making, and there's my ingredients for today. We're gonna have some eggs. I'm gonna jump into it, guys. Eggs, sugar. I'm doing self-rising flour, butter, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla, some coloring. I'm gonna do a velvet icing, and my buttercream icing mix. So I'm gonna turn that in a little bit of a velvety color. So let's just jump right into it, guys, and get this champagne popping. Are you guys excited like I am? You should be, because you get, whoa, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Fergie. I know I'm not a good singer. Happy birthday to me. So guys, I'm gonna get a cup and a half of champagne. Guys, I'm gonna put this on the stove top to simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes so we can reduce the champagne. So guys, I'm gonna get 6 tablespoons of butter. This is around 8 tablespoons, exactly 8 tablespoons. So let's see, I think that's about 6 tablespoons of butter with 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Guys, I'm gonna beat this together, all right? Okay guys, it's been like 3.5 minutes. So it's nice and creamy and fluffy. Guys, please, please do not skimp out on your creaming time, okay? At least 3 minutes. You let it cream for. So now I'm gonna add my eggs one at a time. Make sure you push the side down so everything incorporate nicely. So I'm gonna mix this in one at a time, guys. So guys, remember, don't let your champagne boil. Just let it simmer. All right? So I'm adding the next egg with a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, guys? Guys, I'm gonna put half of the flour in, the dry mix. So guys, the 1.5 cup of champagne that I put to simmer, I simmer it down to 3/4 of a cup. So here I have my champagne reduction. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of champagne reduction in my cake mix and 2 tablespoons of milk. Push the side down, guys, to get everything incorporated, okay? So guys, I reserved 2 tablespoons of champagne for my frosting, and now I'm gonna add the rest of my champagne. And guys, make sure it's cool, nice and cool before adding it to your mixture, okay? So put it in the refrigerator to cool down before adding. Okay guys, line your cupcake can. Set your oven at 350. And guys, you can put your cupcake in your line can like halfway up. I'm gonna do halfway for one first. So now guys, I'm gonna put these in the oven. Remember, your oven set at 350. And I'm gonna put these in for about 14 to 16 minutes, just until you insert your toothpick and it comes out clean and free. All right, so I'll see you guys when I start working on my frosting. Okay guys, with about half a pound of buttercream, I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons, which is half of this. And I'm gonna cream this together. Ready? Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this for about 2 minutes, just until it's incorporated, the icing and the butter. And now I'm gonna add a 3/4 of a teaspoon of champagne. And a few drops. Okay guys, so we're at the end of another segment. I hope you're excited as I am. I am here to present my champagne buttercream icing cupcakes. And I just got that edible arrangement delivered for my birthday. I'm so excited. And I hope you guys enjoy. Tell me what you think. These cupcakes are very moist and delicious. All right, guys. Oh, happy birthday to me. As you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Now it's time to feed the soul, guys. Today's scripture will be coming from Psalms 37, verse 37. Look at those who are honest and good, for a wonderful future awaits those who love peace. All right? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, believe that you deserve all the good in the world and it will find you. All right? Thank you guys for celebrating with me. Thank you guys for hanging with me. Fergie loves you. I hope you enjoy. Wait, let me drink to you guys. Cheers. Bye-bye.